Hey guys, Kai here with another trading tutorial for you. This time I'll go over how to correctly draw the Fibonacci retracements. So what we want to do with the Fibonacci retracements is draw a line from the beginning to the end of the move, and that'll give us some nice colored bands indicating where we might find some support and resistance. So to get the Fibonacci retracement tool, we'll grab the third option from the menu up here on the left, go down to Fib Retracement, and then select the start of your move. So in this case I'm going to select the all-time high of Bitcoin and move it down to the lows of November, and we see these nice colored bands on our chart. Now the numbers you want to pay special attention to are the 0.618, the 0.5 and the 0.382. These might differ slightly for different assets, so I encourage you to go back and test which ones work for the asset you're currently analyzing, but the 0.618 should be applicable to most. So what we can see here, the price strongly rejected the 0.618 twice, and then it found some support between the 0.382 and 0.5 levels before ultimately breaking further down. A way you can get an even better idea of where the price is likely to reverse, or at least spend some time, is if you see where prior highs and lows or turning points such as here and here line up with these Fibonacci levels. That means there's going to be a strong likelihood of people paying attention to those, and as you can see here, we spent 3 months in between this area. We can do the exact same thing for a move up as well. So if we grab our Fibonacci tool again, grab the low point in the move and then the highest point in the move, and we get the lines going the other way. So once again we can see we found some support on the 0.382. We had a little bit of support around the 0.5, and the 0.618 supported us for a very long time. We even had a little touch up here before moving higher and then ultimately breaking through. I hope that helps you guys understand the Fibonacci retracement tool a bit better. If you have any questions, leave them below. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.